Hey people, Seth here. I wanted to put some content on the YouTube, so I'm gonna rank colors. I don't know why there's ads everywhere. I think it's because I opened an incognito window. What is this bug doing? Okay. I'm getting really distracted by all these ads. It's fine. We're gonna put red in, red is a B tier color because it kind of makes you mad. It's also very distracting, but it can be aesthetically pleasing. Unlike brown, which goes into D tier. There's nothing attractive about brown, really. That's all I have to say on the matter. Black is pretty good. It goes with a lot of things. It doesn't make you feel any particular bad or good way. It just goes with a lot. Same with white. Purple's pretty great. It's like royalty and it goes with a lot. In fact, it goes with the other colors in here, which I think is going to be my metric. You know, instead of ranking them by tier, like goodness, I think I'm just gonna match colors. It's like, let's just put colors that complement each other together. I think that's more interesting. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoy. More YouTube content not to come ever. Maybe. Not really sure. Soon. Coming soon. I got a lot of projects. Maybe.